In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in Zoho Books, a comprehensive online accounting software designed to manage your finances effortlessly. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, learning this can be incredibly beneficial for streamlining your financial processes. Let's jump right in and make this as simple and straightforward as possible. First, you'll need to navigate to Zoho Books. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. If you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Once logged in, you should see the dashboard, which provides an overview of your financial activities. Next, you'll want to focus your attention on the left-hand side of the dashboard, where you'll see a menu with various options. Click on the one labeled Sales. This section is where you'll handle all things related to your company's sales transactions. Within this section, you should see several more options. Look for the Credit Notes option and click on it. This is where you can create and manage credit notes, which are important for tracking any reimbursements or adjustments to invoices. Essentially, a credit note functions as a reverse invoice, allowing you to account for returns or errors in billing. Now, once you're within the Credit Notes section, you'll want to create a new credit note. You'll notice a button or link that says Create a New Credit Note. Give that a click, and it will take you to a new page where you can enter all the necessary details for the credit note. This process is quite similar to creating a debit note, so if you're familiar with that, this should feel quite intuitive. When completing the credit note, ensure that you fill out all the required fields. This usually includes the customer's details, the reasons for the credit note, and any specific transaction details that apply. Be thorough here, as these records are vital for maintaining accurate and compliant financial statements. Once all the fields are populated correctly and you've double-checked everything for accuracy, go ahead and save or issue the credit note according to your specific process. This will update your records and ensure that both your and your customer's financial balances reflect the credit accurately. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a credit note in Zoho Books. Keeping your financial records up to date is crucial, and tools like Zoho Books make it easier to manage these tasks without getting bogged down in paperwork. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.